The Google Drive application is an application that can help you back up your documents, videos, photos. So onto this video, I'm going to show you how you can get to download and install the Google Drive application. So once you land onto the Google Play Store application, get to tap on the search button. Once you're done, tap onto the search box, then get to type in Google Drive. Get to type in Google Drive. Once you're done, then tap search. So for now, mine is already installed onto my phone, so I just need to update it. But for your side, since you haven't installed it onto your phone, you will be having install. So tap onto the install button and the process will begin there, and then after, the installation will be carried on as you see over here on the screen. So it will take a while depending on the speed of your internet. So once that is done, as you see, it's about to get done. So the Google Drive now is installed onto my phone. Tap on open, then see over here. You can then do whatever you want, like tapping upload. So you can then back up photos, you can back up videos, audio files, documents on the Google Drive application. Thank you.